Thank you for meeting me, but... Oh my tasting room! All my beautiful boxes of chocolates ruined! The spirit in that chest is causing havoc. How dare he haunt our haunted factory? You must help us remove this pest. Speak with Cacao, the goddess of chocolate. She who watches over the factory archives. She will know what to do. To summon her, you must come prepared with glyphs in the right order. Keep careful record. Here is the first symbol. Other spirits can provide you the other symbols needed to summon her. Now, head to the shipping department and speak to Juan Carlos. Find the next glyph. Only the living can make this right.